What's going on, y'all, man? It's your boy Spooky. And you already know when you see my face, you hear my name, you hear my voice, you already know it's gonna be a banger. So in today's video, man, we're gonna be installing the, let me read this before I mess it up. The Z Automotive Active Exhaust Delete Kit. So basically what this kit is supposed to do, it plugs into the sensors above the active exhaust valves, and it's supposed to fuck with them to make the valves think that they're working, but they're not. I don't know, some cool electronic shit. Anyway, I did previously have the MF1 active exhaust delete plates on the car, but I had to take those off. Mainly because I put the race brace on from performance development and it was just in the way. It was making the active exhaust valves too bulky, so that way I couldn't reach the bolts properly, so I had to take it off. So I did some research on active exhaust delete kit, and the one that popped up was the one from Chaos Motorsports, and this one. I liked this one because it's sleek and it looks like nothing is there, so that's why I went with this one specifically. And I haven't seen too many reviews or anything like that, videos on that thing. I probably only seen one or two, or a couple. So this is for all my Dodge personnel that has active exhaust. That can be a Charger, Challenger, all trims that have active exhaust. This is for you guys. So we're gonna do a quick unboxing and then show y'all how to install it. All right. Before I go any further, make sure you guys follow the car page at 64_spooky. Okay, that will help me out. As long as y'all help the page grow, the channel grow in any kind of way, I highly appreciate it. Guys, like, share, and subscribe. If you're new, boy, you got a lot of things to do. For one, you're gonna watch every video up until this point so you can get caught up with everything. Two, I'm gonna go ahead and need you to subscribe. You gotta subscribe to your brother. Support your brother, all right? I appreciate it. Three, I'm gonna need you to share, because if you share, that's gonna bring more of your friends and family and everybody else to the channel, and then shit gonna get really lit. What number I was on? 3, 4. Like I said, follow the car page, all right? Make sure you leave a comment, show some support. Let me know how y'all feel about this product down below in the comment section. I will place the link to the description down below from where I got it from. It's not expensive. It's about $180. It's not that bad, but it gets rid of the active exhaust. Like, who does not like driving their Scat Pack or Hellcat or whatever in track mode, things like that? Like, what is the point? What is the point of having this car with the valves closed? It makes no sense to me. Don't know why Dodge did that, but it is what it is. Also, if you're getting an exhaust put on the car and it deletes the active exhaust, this is a good solution too, so you don't get no lights on the dash. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. All right, I'm trying to sound motivational this morning, like I have some motivation in my system. It is early, I'm tired, I'm sleepy, but I'm out here with you guys showing you a wonderful new product. So like I said, enough jibber jabber, let's get this video started. All right, y'all, so we back. This is what the Z Automotive Active Exhaust Delete Kit looks like. You get these two little pieces. This is your Active Exhaust Delete module controller, and this is the blank adapter. You will only need these two pieces. It doesn't matter which side they go on. Me specifically, I'm gonna put this on the driver's side, put this on the passenger side. So you don't really need no tools for this, except for like a flathead screwdriver, basically just to get in between the sensor and just to pop that little clip down there. I'll show you all that when I get up under the car and everything like that. But yeah, those are the only two pieces you need. It don't come with instructions, and the link that they place inside of the box is not correct. So I will place the proper instruction link down below in the description. You will have to either jack the car up or put it on ramps, as you just saw, so that way you can actually get to the active exhaust valves. Before you do this, one, make sure your car is cool enough, because you don't want to burn yourself in the process of doing this. And two, make sure you disconnect the negative battery terminal in the back. All you need for that is a little 10mm socket or wrench or whatever, and unscrew that. So I'm gonna check back in with y'all when I get up under the car and show y'all how to install this new Z Automotive active exhaust delete kit. All right, y'all, so this little piece right here is what you're gonna be unclipping with your flathead. Hopefully I'm gonna try to angle the camera the best way that I can so I can show you guys how to take this out, because most likely you can't just pull it out, so you'll need to get something up under there, this little piece right here, and then let's see if I can do it with one hand. Pry that up. Oh yeah, so you can do it with one hand. All right, so this is what this little piece right here will be connected to. So I'm gonna sit you guys down real fast. Let me fix this angle. All right, so all you're gonna do is take this and it lines up. You're gonna plug it in. Here, a little clip, and then there you go. It's that simple. I will be zip tying this probably to this little piece right here so it's not in the way. And your active exhaust valves can actually stay in place. You don't have to take them out completely. This is as simple as that. So you're gonna repeat the same step that you did on the driver's side or passenger side. Whatever side you started on, you're gonna repeat the same step for the next side. And then after I do the passenger side, I'm going to turn the car on, let you guys hear the initial startup, and then we're gonna go around a little drive, make sure we get no check engine lights and nothing like that. All right, y'all, so we back doing a quick little drive around. I'm letting the computer do its thing, because it look like that Chrysler 300 shit again right now, but so far so good. No check engine lights. I can't put it in different drive modes right now because of the battery doing its thing, whatever, but I can use the paddle shifters, so I can kind of, let me see. I mean, it's popping. You know, it's popping a little bit, but I haven't had no check engine light so far. Everything been going good. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close the video out. It's a quick little video. I like this better than the MF1 plates by far. They were just a little bit too bulky. So if you're looking for a new active exhaust delete kit, make sure you look at the Z Automotive active exhaust delete kit. And you know, full disclaimer, I am not sponsored by Z Automotive by any means necessary. I just saw that this was a new product, haven't had too many videos on it, so I just felt like I should introduce you guys to a new avenue of active exhaust delete kits and things like that of that nature. So but yeah, let me know what y'all think about this product down below in the comments. I will highly appreciate all you guys' feedback. You know, it is what it is. Like I said earlier, if you have a Dodge or anything, you know, Dodge, Mopar, Challenger, Charger, fucking Jeep, goddamn Ram, I think they come with active exhaust, I don't know. I need to do that one day, by the way. I need to see if I can hook up something. We're reviewing these TRXs. I want to see some. But anyway, this is gonna conclude the video. Like I said, man, make sure y'all follow the car page, like, share, and subscribe. Pass it on to your friends. It's your boy Spooky, and I'm out.